Thanks for joining me in this video today. If you've got a meal prep service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep your eyes peeled on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your meal prep service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, meal prep service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you around. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use as well. And they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the delicious meals you're serving up for your meal prep service. And you want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content, make a little bit more personalized to your own business. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address over here. And I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. Physical location, perhaps you are a mobile business, but if you have a physical location, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Pop the links in over here, and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, you can click on that little pencil. Otherwise, on the right is where you can make it bigger and smaller, your logo, to fit into that section a little bit better. If you want to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, click on that paint bucket at the bottom, go through the various color palette options available. There's so many to choose from, and you don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, all you need to do is click on that update section button, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images of all the delicious meals that you are preparing. Otherwise, you have the option to search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account and pull in all your images if you have a profile. Underneath update action is where we have those call to action buttons, where they link to, and the text on those buttons for each section. You can even choose where they link to. You can link to another website if maybe you take online bookings, for example, through a third party. You also have the option to upload a PDF file, which is a great idea to upload your meal options or your menu. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form over here. Your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all those leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. Domains are super simple to connect as well. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial is helpful in building a simple website for your meal prep service. And I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.